Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Pawan. So in this video, I'm going to explain about test data and test environment setup. Let's start. What is test data? Why is it important? So test data is actually the input given to the software program. So it represents the data that affects or it is affected by the execution of the specific module. So some data may be used for positive testing, typically to verify that a given set of input to a given function procedures and expected result. So other data may be used for negative testing to test the ability of the program to handle unusual, extreme, exceptional or unexpected input. So poorly designed testing data may not test all possible test scenarios, which will hamper the quality of the software. And what is test data generation? Why test data should be created before test execution? So depending on your testing environment, you may need to create test data most of the times, or at least identify a suitable test data for your test cases if you already have some data. So typically the test data is created in sync with the test case it is intended to be used for. And the test data can be generated in many ways, like can generate manually, or we can mass copy of data from production to testing environment, or mass copy of test data from legacy client systems, or automated test data generation tools are available to generate the test data. Now what is test environment? So setting up right test environment ensures software testing success. Any flaws in this process may lead to extra cost and time to the client. So what is test bed? So in general, a test bed is a software development environment. So it allows the developers to test their modules without affecting the live production servers. So the test bed is not conformed to the developers only, but also used by the testers. And it is referred as test environment as well. So sometimes test bed and test environments are almost same, not much difference. And here the test bed is also referred to as a test environment. Okay, now let's see what is test environment. Almost same. A testing environment is a setup of software and hardware for the testing teams to execute their test cases. So in other words, it supports test execution with hardware, software and network configured. So testbed or test environment is configured as per the need of application under test. So at few occasions, testbed could be the combination of the test environment and the test data it operates. So what are the key areas to set up in test environment? So basically system and applications and test data and database server and front end running environment and client operating system and browsers, hardware which includes server operating system, networks, and documentation required like a reference document, configuration guides, installation guide, or a user manuals. So these are the key areas to test to set up a test environment. So that's all for test data and test environment. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more updates on this.